gosh, lighting. G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. Today we're talking about changing So here we are with a Rhino 700 with a park and brake cable that is stretched. Even when I lengthen the sheath, which basically means tighten up the cable, as much as it will go, I still don't have a tight enough cable. So we're gonna put a new one on. To get the new one on, you take the seat out, you take the center console off, and that gives you access to this right here. The park and brake mechanism is held on by two 10mm head bolts right there. So you take that off, and that allows you to turn this mechanism just like that. And now you get access to the back side of it, and you can pull the old cable out of its little mounting spot. So we've got the old cable out. We're gonna put the new cable in there and feed it along, right along all the way to the back where the original is. To get the new piece on, gotta feed it in that little hole right there, turn that around, loosen the lock nut off a bit. Okay, so we've got the cable back on here. I've routed it through the same passage, all through the same zip ties it was originally. Back through here, I had to remove that 10mm bolt and clip and transfer it to the new cable. There's a little tie here on the frame that was required, and now we're back down to here. Oh my gosh, lighting. You remove that spring, and that lets this lever rise up, which makes inserting the new cable into that little lever easier. So you get the cable in place, then you put the spring back on. You come back up here and adjust this threaded adjuster right here until you pull one click on the park and brake. Now if I really pull on it hard, I can get 2 clicks, but 1 click is what the factory recommends. So that is how you replace the cable on a Rhino 700, and I suspect there'd be other ATVs that have a similar procedure. If you know of your ATV having the same procedure, please put in the comments for other people to know, and then I will update the description to include those compatible models. Okay, good luck with your do-it-yourself projects. The end.